Hello friends, welcome to my channel Deep Artistic Soul, where creativity meets passion and imagination knows no bounds. I am Deepti Bit and I am very passionate about art and empowering others to discover their own unique voice. So join me on this artistic journey as we explore the world of art together, from beginner friendly tutorials to advanced techniques and inspiring art and craft projects. From sketching and painting to mixed media and beyond, we will dive into a creative process and uncover the secrets to unlocking your full potential. My goal is inspire and guide you in finding your own creative path, just as art transformed my life. So subscribe now and let's create together and follow me on social media for exclusive content and artistic updates.